Does the winter winds have your lips feeling chapped? Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Air, here to share with you an all-natural lip balm recipe to help repair those winter chapped lips. For this recipe, you will need half a tablespoon of solid coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, and our Farewell Stars essential oil, and 2 chapstick containers. To start, I'm going to melt my coconut oil and beeswax together. You can do this in a double boiler or in the microwave at a low setting for about 30 seconds at a time. To my melted beeswax and coconut oil, I'm going to add a teaspoon of almond oil. This keeps the chapstick from getting too hard, and it also helps repair and replenish my lips. To this, I'm going to add 8 drops of Farewell Stars blend. This oil is great for taking care of not only your skin but our lips as well. Once I've got those added, I'm going to give it a good mix. And I'm going to add it to my lip balm tubes. It's helpful if you have a funnel, otherwise you can just kind of go for it. Allow your chapsticks to harden and then they're ready to use. I love how these chapsticks take care of my lips from the cold winter wind. Have healthy lips this January with this lip balm recipe. To get everything you need to make this amazing recipe, subscribe to our essential oil recipe box. This January, we're all about taking care of our skin, and we're doing it naturally.